Right. Hi everyone, I'm Laverne Segundo, isa po akong financial educator from IMG and Associate Financial Planner by the Registered Financial Planner of the Philippines. So ito yung latest from the Philippine Star before nung June 6, 2026. So basically ang IMG, it's a uh, financial literacy na brokerage company anchored sa financial education. At the same time, to teach people how to save, invest. So ito nga yung sa ano natin, dito sa Philippine Star. So, why do many hardworking Filipinos still struggling with money? So, syempre, unang-una, di ba? Kailangan natin ng learnings. And at the same time, yung mga companies, yung application. So, yun yung maganda dito sa IMG. Kumbaga, it's a financial school na nag-guide sa mga tao. And at the same time, meron na tayong mga partnership companies. Later, ipapakita ko kung ano ba yung mga providers natin. Yan. Dito siya. So, nandito rin yung book natin. Pakita ko lang later yung ebook na 2 chapters. If you want to avail, you can visit us sa Makati Financial Center. Etong libro na to, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Become your own financial educator. It's 100 pesos lang siya sa financial center. Para at least mabasa nyo po yung complete na libro and at the same time may guide kayo. You can share as well dun sa mga friends nyo para, di ba, yung 100 pesos na yun, worth millions po yung information na provide sa atin. Yan. Sabi nga dito, before you invest, learn. So, most people begin their financial journey by asking a familiar question. What should I invest in? Again, that would depend on sa goals mo, sa risk appetite, and then sa age mo. Yun yung timeline, kumbaga, kung kailan mo kukunin yung specific na investment na yon. Yan. Tapos, nandito naman yung mga natulungan na natin, no? Or yung mga IMG members, tapos natulungan through IMG platform. Ano ba yung mga struggles nila before IMG and then after ng IMG nila or when they join IMG, ano ba yung mga achievements na nila basically. Yan, nandito siya lahat. Yan. Tapos, ito naman po yung libro. Pakita ko siya. Ito po yung 2 chapters na ebook. Kung gusto niyo pong i-download, no, ililink ko po dyan. Ilalagay ko po yung affiliate link po namin sa specific na ebook na to. Fill up lang po yung mga details nyo para masend po namin siya. Yan. So, ito po yung itsura ng libro. Tapos, ito po yung mga specific na content. Scroll down ko siya. Yan. This book will upgrade your financial life. So, nandito naman siya. Sabi nga ni Brother Bo Sanchez, Friend, this book is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. Read it, devour it, and share it with people who needs a financial revolution in their life. Tapos, ang mission natin basically is, ito naman, hindi pa siya updated dito, yung ebook natin. Since na-hit na natin to before, yung 1 million families by year 2020. So, ang current na goal natin is 30 million by the year 2030 na may educate natin. So, yun siya. And then, ito po yung mga table of contents, no? Number one, kailangan talaga ng financial learning. You should know first ano ba yung mga basic financial concepts. Then, pangalawa ito, choosing the right healthcare. Kasi iba-iba pong healthcare yan. Meron siyang short-term, long-term care, senior care. And then, different types of insurance, yung mga purpose, kumbaga. Diba? And managing debt effectively, building an emergency fund, saving the right way. Ito yung karamihan gusto rin nila, growing wealth through investment like mutual fund, direct stock trading. And at the same time, Chapter 8, and understanding retirement and estate planning. And number 9, empowering Filipinos through financial education. So basically, di ba, yun yung goal din talaga natin. Conclusion, invest in your future. Tapos FAQs or the frequently asked questions. Yan po yung nilalaman ng libro natin. So, nandito yung mga introduction, And at the same time, yung SFF, yung Solid Financial Foundation, ano ba yung concept na tinuturo sa IMG? Pinapakita rin po siya dito sa ebook na to. So again, if you want to avail po yung hard copy ng book, that's around 100 pesos lang. You can avail that sa IMG Makati Financial Center. So, kung interested po kayo within Metro Manila kayo, let us know. You can message us po sa Facebook or sa mobile number po na naka-flash sa screen. Yan, ito po yung tinuturo natin sa SFF, Solid Financial Foundation, na kailangan ng healthcare muna, protection, debt management, emergency fund, and investment. Ayan po siya. Yan.